Hey, if Bardeen AI is not exporting your data, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when everything else seems to work. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. All right, first, check where you're exporting the data. If you're sending it to Google Sheets, Notion, or another app, make sure it's properly connected. Next, try disconnecting and reconnecting the app. So, go to Integrations, remove the connection, and then add it again. Now, make sure you've granted all required permissions. If access is limited, Bardeen won't be able to export data properly. Sometimes large data exports can fail. Try exporting a smaller set of data first, just to see if the issue is size related. Next, refresh the page or restart your browser, then try exporting again. Yeah, this can clear temporary glitches. If it's still not working, clearing your browser cache and cookies can fix hidden issues. Also, make sure Bardeen is up to date. If needed, remove and reinstall the extension to fix bugs. One more thing, some apps like Google Sheets have limits on data or API usage. If you hit those limits, exports might fail. And yeah, that's it. One of these steps should fix the export issue and get your data flowing again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.